Some waterfalls in India are not just beautiful, they carry stories of strange sounds, unexpected lights, and secrets hidden in the mist. Here are the top 5 mysterious waterfalls in India that you must visit at least once in life. At number 1, Jog Waterfalls, Karnataka. At Jog Waterfalls, people say they hear soft cries and whispers from the gorge during monsoon nights. Some believe they are the voices of travelers who once slipped into the deep valley. 2. Athirapalli Waterfalls, Kerala. This waterfall looks peaceful, but locals say strange glowing lights float above the water on some nights. Many believe they are the forest spirits protecting the land. 3. Nokalikai Falls, Meghalaya. This is the tallest plunged waterfall in India, but also the most mysterious. Even today, locals say a woman's shadow appears near the cliffs, and the water sometimes turns blue or green without any scientific reason. At number 4, Dudhsagar Waterfalls, Goa. Waterfall looks like milk flowing down a mountain, but people say a woman in white is sometimes seen walking along the old bridge at dawn. Some believe she guards a hidden treasure. At number 5, Chitrakoot Falls, Chhattisgarh, also known as the Niagara of India. But here is the strange part. The waterfall makes a deep humming sound at night that no scientist has been able to explain. These waterfalls are not just natural wonders, they are full of stories that make travel feel magical. DM us on WhatsApp or visit exploreandmore.in to plan your next holiday. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mysterious places of India.